Struggling to get your website noticed? You need to watch this if you want your site to stand out in the sea of search results. Think of positive keywords as the magic spells of SEO. These are the specific terms and phrases that your target audience is searching for. When you sprinkle these keywords throughout your content, it's like sending up a flare for search engines saying, "Hey, look over here." For example, if you're selling handmade candles instead of using just candles, your positive keywords could be handmade scented candles or natural soy candles. This not only attracts more traffic, but ensures it's the right kind of traffic. Now, integrating these keywords isn't just about stuffing them into your content. It's more about crafting valuable content that seamlessly incorporates these terms. Think about blog posts, product descriptions, and even your meta tags. And yes, while it might sound daunting, companies like Authority Solutions are pros at weaving these keywords into your strategy to amplify your SEO efforts. So, ready to boost your site's SEO with the right keywords? Start thinking about what your audience is really searching for. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights.